Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I will show you how to delete guest account from your Call of Duty, and here I show the steps by using my Android mobile and also works for all Android mobile devices. But if you are a iOS user, sorry friends, I don't know the steps to delete this account. So let's go to our tutorial. So first of all, open your file manager application, and this file manager is default available on all Android devices. But my device has this application, but unfortunately this app icon is missing. So I try to access this file manager via my Google Play Store. So in this file manager section, you can choose storage as internal shared storage. So don't select SD card and then locate the following folder: com.activation.callofduty.shooter. So finally I locate that folder and then click to open it. But this folder has one file and the file name is guest, because this guest file denotes your Call of Duty guest account. So simply you can select it and then delete that file. So finally this guest file is deleted successfully, and then close all the settings window. And also you can click to clear that Call of Duty mobile game data. So how to do it? By simply locate that game icon and then long press that icon, and then it shows on drop down menu. So here you can choose app info, and in bottom it shows the option called clear data. So simply you can press that option and then select clear all data and then click to OK, and then close all the settings. And once again I try to access my Call of Duty mobile game, because I try to check it if my guest account is deleted or not. So and then it starts to loading, so be patient. So finally here you can see, so it asks for sign up processes via guest account or Facebook account. So which means that your Call of Duty guest account is removed successfully. So this is the way you can easily delete your Call of Duty guest account by watching my tutorial. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.